should be over there.
No, it's supposed to be over here. Where I'm
No,
standing.
it's right here.
I know it's there, but I mean the place.
No, I'm still in the menu, dude.
Fuck you.
What are you doing?
Dude, what are you talking about, man?
I'll wait for you. You better run, Piggy.
What? Meh.
Oh, he
Why
turned
are
you
you
into
fucking
bacon.
violently?
Meh.
I cannot do that, seriously. I cannot.
It's fun.
I don't know.
Just say oink oink.
Oi, oi.
Or just
Oink,
imagine that you're trying to
Oh,
parry.
oh my god, I have point aim, not sights.
Nut sights?
Wow, what
I
kind
don't
of
like nuts.
sights do you have?
Our nut sights
Dude,
don't
you
sound
can
very
still use-
accurate.
You still use your
Yep.
scope when you pro,
Yeah,
Oh great. Nope.
even if you have point aim on.
Oh yeah.
I'm
I
used
don't
to
think
it.
it
Just used to it.
No, it
But you-
doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
If you prone with your night
No.
point night
You-
what the fuck?
You use your scope if you take off your night vision.
No, look at this.
Yeah, you take off your night vision
Yep.
and
Okay, never
you
mind.
use red dot. Hello. Uh-oh. Friendly.
Oh,
Oh, he's really going after you.
Oh, la, la, la.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's not very Delta of you.
Oh, fuck off!
Oh wow.
What the F?
accidental. I thought it was in.
Sure, RB, sure.
Relax, they can hear our chat.
Yeah, right.
Oh, they really wanna try me then.
Oh right, I've always liked the suppressor on the honey badger. It's one of the reasons.
Boy,
I like this
it's a
design.
typo.
The honey badger is supposed to be integrally suppressed, so it's kind of weird
Yeah.
that they. You know,
So I was wondering why is my honey badger loud?
yeah.
But I don't like the suppressed sounds in this game either.
The AS Val is really nice, and the MP5 the SD is nice.
No, but like a suppressed gun is still supposed to make you deaf.
No, pretty loud, right? Yeah.
Hmm
It's very Hollywood still.
Pew, pew.
Oh, we are wearing headphones. I mean, my character is.
We're
Nah.
sponsored by Beats.
I'm wearing my ear pros.
Mine would be if I'm using it, it would be like Razer.
Oh, so cool.
Chroma
about-
Kraken.
I would fucking wear a PewDiePie helmet. I mean, headset into battle. Like in an actual war, I would wear a PewDiePie headset.
I didn't even know people had a headset.
Yeah, it does. It's Kraken, but the design is
I'm not gamer enough.
his
Don't wear-
copyrighted design.
Don't wear his headset or else you'll think nigger on the bridge.
He always wears it even though he doesn't need it.
I guess if I had headsets that were made for me, I would wear them.
He'll just say the N-word.
the
He'll just
design, I
say the
guess.
N-word on the
Yeah.
bridge. Don't do that.
Maybe he makes money like the more they sell.
I think like if I get to customize my own, I would still use the one that I had, but probably add like a unicorn thingy on the top.
Aw. Also,
Or-
there's gas outside.
Unicorn.
Yeah.
There's gas outside. Don't go out.
I'm on the bridge. I will not say the N word.
Oh, fucking gas. It's like coronavirus all over again. I'm quarantining your life. I don't want to be quarantined in this game.
Corona.
Burning door.
Poor door. Oh my god. If you take off the night vision, the screen is purple.
Maybe it's just your monitor.
And now it's red.
Oh.
Ow!
We did it.
Push, push, push.
Do you think the gas is still out there?
Oh yeah, we don't have
see it.
gas masks anymore.
I can't see.
I don't see it.
Anyone wants to be guinea pig?
Meat's already out there.
It's not here, it's not here.
Okay. Yeah, it's not there.
Yeah, it's not there.
That's what she said. Aw.
Oh, meat's down.
Oh, it's not here.
Aw. There's a Puss Puss in its place.
Ooh,
Uh-oh.
Oh.
a little Puss Puss.
It's a butch.
Oh,
I basically just explained the joke.
yeah. Puss Puss sounds like a little puss.
Not a big deal.
Oh.
A big puss would be like a puss.
That's
And a little puss.
Little puss will be like,
a head poking out there, but I don't know if I'm getting
what?
it.
The pitch determines the size. The higher the pitch, the smaller.
Puss
So the
puss.
deeper your puss, the larger it is.
Oh,
I.
that's a big puss.
Oh.
Oh, a little puss puss like that.
Oh, that's a big puss.
Yeah, no, that's a big puss like that.
Wow.
Oh, there's a little.
We should get all of you to say it,
Puss, small
and then
puss,
determine who
puss,
has the biggest or the
big
smallest.
puss, puss.
It's like, ooh.
Who can make their voice the highest or lowest?
Wow,
Cash.
John Wick.
Bravo 6 going dark.
You just say poop. What?
Wait, it's
I-
fucking
I-
straight aiming at you.
I mixed the two jokes together.
That bot was playing CSGO, bro.
Oh,
He's aiming
Uh-oh.
at you. Whoa, you blow his head
Oh.
off. That will go
oh,
into.
RB, you blew him.
That bot was playing CSGO, bro. Oh,
He's aiming
Uh-oh.
at you.
Nice.
No, he shot his eye, actually. That's even better.
Oh, you got it on his eyes? Nice.
Mhm.
Why do we turn everything about sex?
Because we're pervs.
Oh yeah, makes sense.
Are you in the right server to be out there?
RB on the stairs.
One more.
Right in front of you.
No.
Oh,
What? RB, we told you, dude.
I have to edit that death out.
No, I think he went and
I
got
think I
himself killed because you
You
said
meant to do that.
Yeah.
I meant to do that.
He,
like-
he,
he's
he's
like,
ready.
"No
He want to get
way."
his 72 versions. All this fuck
72.
off.
Oh my god, it's getting more and more. Osama is really sales stalking this whole jihadi thing.
Sounds fun.
Oh,
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 that was a nice one though.
yeah.
okay. Humping it doesn't blow it up.
What?
Oh, I see them in front
Uh-oh.
of him.
You
Oh,
can
I
hump
see
it
what
Quick,
they-
and
oh,
you
they're
can
oh,
coming.
blow it.
He has a ghillie suit.
Nice.
Nice.
Well played.
Well played.
Great job.
Good job. Fantastic work. Alliteration.
Whoa, red is right under meat. Nice job.
No.
Oh, not
Yeah,
anymore.
RB. RB, you should have reserved your simp
RB.
messages.
RB's in a little sandwich.
Don't want the open circle, right?
My God, how much is the mag size of the honey badger?
It's the same, no?
And I'm already
30?
capturing.
It seems like it's like shorter than Soviet Womble sex tape.
I think the fire rate is much faster.
No.
Okay,
okay.
Red and Charlie, everyone turn your flashlights on. You did it! Nice.
Okay, fuck this, I'm gonna play.
Oh! Died.
Hi, die.
I didn't say I died, I just said died. That
I died,
jokes.
I died, I died.
Jokes on you.
Aw. I am the meme now.
Look at me, I'm the meme now.
You have to say it with the accent.
I thought you guys didn't get it.
The Somalian accent. Yeah, it's secured, yeah.
They're at Alpha!
Southeast, southeast. Fucking audio.
What? Audio.
Hold for grenade, hold for grenade!
What did you hear?
Oh, bitch.
So bright.
That shit's brighter than my future.
Oh my god. Fucking hell.
Fucking hell.
The brightness will kill me.
Ah, fuck.
And I just saw someone.
Good for you, man.
Sometimes I feel like it's better to play with no NVGs and just flashlights because you don't have to worry about like being blinded out or like, you know.
That is the case sometimes, like you just have to turn off your night vision.
Yeah, such a hassle to turn it on and off. Look at Nullify is like whited out.
Why are they shooting me and not you? You're in front of me. Yay! Share.
Hey, I'm
Oh.
back.
Oh yeah, we shared it. Okay.
Hi, back.
I love how
I'm
everybody's been running with
I'm
silent
bad.
officers.
Yeah, I'm trying to be like tactical.
We're not doing very well at that then.
I mean, I kind of wish we moved a little slower.
Like what he said.
Work as a team. Like push in real slow, you know. Feel.
What is a team? What is a team?
Why?
No. It is much more than that. It is the message.
The massage.
It is the philosophy.
Top secret reference there.
What is a bomb? Let us ask ourselves this philosophical question.
But there's a guy there somewhere. I saw. Oh, there it is. There's that guy. Where is he?
Fuck this gun. Fuck this gun.
Fuck this bitch, I'm out.
Dang, this one bot's taking out our team. Did we get him?
Foxtrot is
Blocked.
Whoa.
Damn.
Someone just got breached.
Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck, fuck, fuck!
It's so weird when you do the aim pointing, like your screen gets brighter.
We found one of
No, it doesn't.
Mine
Read
does.
that texture.
With the scar it does, and with the M16 it does. I know that.
Dude, don't shine
I'm
that light on my
spectating you.
eyes.
It doesn't. Oh wait. What the fuck?
Someone's asking if Zondas
Okay,
are.
I believe you now, but I don't know why that happens.
Is
On you.
Zonda's what?
Zonda simps.
Yep.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Someone's asking you.
What?
What about it?
Look at the
Red, I'm on the second floor with my flashlight. Just FYI.
Okay.
I'm gonna turn it off now.
Like,
Just clearing it.
Okay.
It's
It's
my
fine. It's that small rice bowl flashlight. It's bugging me.
Small rice bowl.
Yeah, he's small flashlight.
flashlight.
Small
Yeah,
PP.
his mini flashlight.
Oh,
1-inch PP.
I got a 1-inch PP. Oops, sorry, sorry.
So you're
Shit,
competing with. So you're
And I'm
competing
gonna
with
make you
regarding kids.
scream.
No, you gotta say
With my 1
screaming.
inch PP.
1-inch PP gonna make you screamy.
Red, yours is not 1-inch.
Oh man, I'm not following you, but I like this spot.
Oh shit, I need.
What's that meme I shared?
I like the sound like when it's quiet.
The sound of quiet. What is the sound of quiet?
The sound of nothingness.
Like my soul.
What soul?
Aw. Well, you got that right.
Wait, please don't push. Why?
Well,
What
I
is
think he
the
wants to be
color?
like, he wants to go slow and be like tactical.
What's the
I-
color of quiet?
What is tactical?
I think
Like-
he
Tactical than not.
called the thingy. I think he called the thingy, the air support thingy.
The little 1-inch air support.
You call artillery.
Oh, there it is. I looked her up and down and I said, "Girl, you're looking fine." Then she pulled out a penis twice the sound of mine.
You show her your long dick. She shows you hers. She shows you hers.
When she confesses, "I have to tell you something. I used to be Christian." Oh, that's okay, baby. I don't care about religion. No, my name used to be Christian.
That's my name.
I was Christian.
It's even more awkward. when
Oh
you have
my
the
god.
same name.
Okay, I'm just. Oh, I can't see.
Someone fragged inside. Okay, it's gone. Okay, it's now gone.
Now,
Best room. Got him.
I cornered myself.
Clearing second floor. Clear. I'm gonna stay in my casting couch.
What's that?
What's the-
Really?
It's a nice
Really?
piece of furniture. It's a nice piece of furniture.
Oh.
Really, Snowball.
I don't believe you, Snowball.
You of all people.
What? What's that? Like
It's a nice piece of furniture.
what? Like she like shoplifter girl or something?
It's
Yeah.
On
the
top?
same.
No.
It's like this really good taxi service. It's called Fake Taxi.
Oh. What a misleading
Yeah, high
title.
quality stuff. Yeah.
Very good.
Oh
movie.
shit, I hear grenade.
No, it's friendly.
Oh, it's friendly, okay.
I'm disappointed that they don't put the like night vision over their head. Like they don't bring the goggles down.
They don't they?
It's being blocked, but
No, if you look at the other people, like they're not actually wearing the goggles. Like they're just on the head, but they're not like flipped down. They're flipped up. You know what I mean?
it's being blocked. Not fine.
Uh,
Oh,
red.
nice. What?
Wait, come here.
Where are you? Where is here? Okay. What?
Where am I?
I'm gonna try it, because this is definitely not how you wear. Okay, never mind. It's fixed.
What? Oh my god, it's
Never
too
mind.
bright. I'm switching off my BG.
Whoa, fuck!
There was
It's
a
like
bug a while ago.
all bloomed out. Whoa, it's like 5 Molotovs going in. Oh shit.
Oh my god, staircase.
Oh my god.
Shoot the light! Shoot the light!
saving my nade and incendiary for later.
Enemy second floor.
Rooftop?
All tops coming in.
Oh my god, I see so many flying.
They're really swarming.
Whoa, what was that? I don't care who you are, where you're from, what you need.
Oh my god, it's just everything is just too bright.
As long as you look.
Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
There's like so many guys on the point.
Oh! I'm dead.
Oh fuck, they went flashed me.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a heartache.
Tell me why.
I don't know the lyrics.
Don't lie, I know you know it.
No, seriously, I don't know that part.
I never wanna hear you say.
Want it that way.
This is the song that RD sang when he got drunk.
Oh, I got them off.
Oh, nice. You got them off. Whoa, nice. Good job, Red.
What? Oh, okay.
Oh,
Yay!
She gets number one despite having 25 kills.
Meat left. Meat left because he's not on top. Didn't want to break his screen.
Oh, he left? Oh, sad.
Red was on top. Hehehe.
He likes to be on top.
I'm asserting my dominance.
Farmhouse? Or refinery?